That's one other thing I can show you here if we do a close-up of this piston pump. So here you've got, if I can try and replicate how this thing is supposed to work here. Where did my piston go? There it is. Let's take the spring out for demonstration purposes only. So there's your piston in the bottom. This is your water intake. So the water comes in here. The eccentric and the spring move the piston pump up and down. Water comes in here through that ball valve, goes to here, up through that ball valve and shoots up. If you notice that screw there, there's like 4 holes on the top there. That water gets pushed up through those 4 holes. Gets, let's see if we can see that, there you go. Gets pushed up through this hole right here. There, I can shine a light through it. You can see light coming through. Comes through the top and then gets into the other part of the motor that we looked at in the first part of the last video. Now, just in trying to see how this thing here works, that spring in there, I guess the idea is this whole area, this whole piston here, you see that's, it's a hollow piece of copper, just with a floor on it. You can see that, there you go, you can kind of see all the way to the bottom. So I guess the idea is with the spring, is that whole piston will fill with water and get pushed up through the action of the eccentric. So every time that prop rotates, that's what it'll do. That's a theory anyway. Guess we'll get her back together, see what happens.